EasyStock Roll is the RTS module for rationalising the movement of rolls and managing the loading phase to corrugator groups. This module has been developed by RTS to support the forklift driver when loading and preparing rolls as part of the corrugator programme. Feeding the corrugator machine systematically, correctly and promptly is one of the fundamental factors in guaranteeing maximum production efficiency. Usually, the operator uses the production programme which indicates the card required and checks the consumption of rolls at various groups visually. This aspect can become critical when the forklift driver also has to deal with unloading rolls from transport vehicles and in the case of modifications to the production programme, or when partially consumed rolls are used in the warehouse. In order to support the forklift driver and allow them to operate at maximum efficiency, the EasyStock Roll module supplies complete information in real time directly to the forklift for knowing the actual state of progress of the corrugator programme, for monitoring the consumption of rolls loaded on individual groups, for checking the availability of partially used rolls, and for locating rolls in the warehouse. With the RTS solution, the operator has a control panel at their disposal on the forklift truck, which indicates in real time production progress of the corrugator machine and immediate loading scheduled for each group. By reading the barcode of the roll label, the operator manages both the localization and the feeding of the machine. Using the touchscreen, the forklift driver has access to a simple interface for confirming the load, indicating the coverage for each group directly. Furthermore, the system highlights residual requirements and allows for checking the availability of rolls and partially used rolls. The operation is presented on board the forklift as a PC video with a user interface demo. Now let's look at a practical demonstration of how EasyStock Roll supplies clear, complete indications which are continually updated to the operator, directly to the PC on board the forklift. First, let's see how the video interface is presented. The window consists of a timeline on the y-axis which serves as a point of reference to the corrugator programme, which moves forward for every scheduled pairing. This information is always updated in real time by way of connection to the PC top system. Furthermore, we can find information pertaining to the following on the screen: the height of the roll, every scheduled pairing, the order, the return, the dimensions of the sheet to be produced, the card estimated for each group and the related warehouse location where it can be found, information about the roll retrieved by way of reading the barcode on the label. The information regarding the rolls can be consulted in kilograms or meters. Now let's go into specifics, to a simulation of the forklift driver's efficiency. Let's imagine that the progress of the corrugator programme is that indicated on the video. We can see that the SQ127 card has almost run out on group Onda C. We check the information about the next roll to be loaded and we see where it can be found in the warehouse. We go to collect the roll, we read the barcode and we see that the if on the forklift video is highlighted in a different colour. At this stage, we physically take the roll to the corrugator and read the new location. We see that the cursor for Group C in question is positioned ahead in time, depending on the weight of the loaded roll. We have seen how all the necessary information is presented and highlighted to the forklift driver by the system, in such a way that it can be consulted simply, clearly and quickly. In summary, we can confirm that with EasyStock Roll it is possible to highlight the problems by way of a dashboard showing planned work, favour the interchangeability of operators, improve communications by eliminating paper, and optimise the use of rolls.